This video is about how to make money with your Instagram stories. Now, the main method of making money with your Instagram stories is selling your own products or services. And you can sell both physical and digital products, including gift cards. And you just need to post them, then tell people how they can get them. And if you don't have your own products or services to sell, then you can do affiliate marketing using your Instagram stories. And you just need to join an affiliate program, then add the affiliate links in your stories and then encourage people to buy through the links. And if you are popular on Instagram and you have a large following, then you can promote other people's businesses. And you just need to agree with the businesses to post about their products or services on your stories in return for some monetary benefits. And if you have a loyal fan base on Instagram, then you can do Fanfunding using your stories. And you just need to ask for donations from your followers and give a good reason why you're asking for the monetary support. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Instagram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.